Hello, my name is James Brotherton. I'm with the National Weather Service in Hanford, California. This weather briefing covers the ongoing heat wave gripping the southwest U.S. We are predicting an excessive heat event to impact much of the region through early next week. Anyone with activities this weekend or early next week should be prepared for the excessive heat. Monitor our website at weather.gov/Hanford. Also interact with us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Here's the big picture of what's going on with the weather. A large area of high pressure is centered over the Four Corners. This dome of high pressure will slowly build northwest through the region and bring even hotter conditions to Central California. Meanwhile, a tap of tropical moisture will move north from Baja. This moisture will not cool off. It will actually bring a chance of thunderstorms to the southern Sierra Nevada, along with abnormally humid conditions in the lower elevations. Just taking a quick look at the regional hazards map for the western U.S., you can see the scope of the heat wave across the region. Most of California, Nevada, and Arizona are under an excessive heat warning at this time. These conditions will persist into midweek before we see some slight relief from the heat. Temperatures may remain at and above 100 degrees through the July 4th weekend. Zooming in a bit now, let's look at our detailed hazards viewer for Central California. As you can see, the excessive heat warning extends to include the deep canyons and river valleys of the southern Sierra and Tehachapi Mountains. Places like Yosemite Valley, Kings Canyon, Sequoia National Park, and the Kern River Canyon all will be excessively hot and dangerously so. Use extra caution if you have recreation plans in these areas. Heat illness is a serious problem in the United States. In fact, excessive heat is the #1 weather killer in the U.S. Let's take a look at the timing of the heat wave. Extreme heat conditions will continue through Tuesday. There will be little relief at night, with temperatures staying above 80 degrees in our valley cities. Temperatures at and above 100 may extend into next weekend. We have less certainty, but there are some indications that above normal temperatures will continue for quite some time across Central California. So let's talk a little more about those heat impacts. Our most vulnerable populations to the heat wave will be the elderly, children, those with certain medical conditions, the homeless, and those without adequate air conditioning. Our pets and livestock are also vulnerable. By the way, never leave a pet, child, or elderly person in your vehicle during hot conditions, not even for 1 minute. For Sunday through Tuesday, let's look at the temperature details and what we expect to be the hottest period of the heat wave. Temperatures during this period will be as high as 115 degrees in the valley and up to 120 in the western Mojave Desert. It will only be slightly cooler in the higher elevations of the Sierra and Tehachapi Mountains. By Thursday, the 4th of July, we'll see some modest cooling, though temperatures will remain above 100 in most lower elevation locations. So again, plan accordingly for these extreme conditions. Do not take any risks when it comes to your safety. Remember that while it is hot every summer in Central California, these excessively hot conditions will set the stage for heat illness if necessary precautions are not taken. This concludes today's weather briefing from the National Weather Service. Thanks again for taking the time to tune in, and we'll look forward to talking to you again soon.